So what's up guys? Nandito na naman tayo sa ating channel and today Newty will give me his roof rack. This one. So Newty, bakit mo pinalitan yung roof rack mo?
I presume you're asking why I changed it.
Yeah. Why you changed it?
It's been 2 years and I just wanted a different look for my car. So I put a
So you
little
spend
lighter one.
another money, fly money again.
Yes.
He just removed his old roof rack, and then I'm going to put it in my car. He sponsored it to me. He gave it to me for free, just for the vlog. No, I'm gonna pay for it. So, but thank you so much for serving it to me.
Yeah, welcome.
Like I really need it for my family.
Yeah.
So we are doing this for family. We should see it for family.
Yes. This roof rack. It will help you to take all your cargo, your bedding, your tents, your baby stuff, everything.
Yes, that's the most important thing.
While the FJ is very powerful, there is limitations when it comes to space. So that's why we need the roof rack to carry extra cargo. So it will come in handy, and I hope it serves Tong Tong as well as it has served me for the past 2 years.
Because you know what I told to my wife? It's for the baby. It's for the family. So, okay, it's okay. Approve. So, bago natin install yung ating roof rack, kailangan natin tanggalin yung mga cover niya. Dito. Ayan. Lahat ng mga cover. Six covers yan. Pero doon sa isa, flag mount.
Don't scratch the car, huh?
Yeah. Okay, just put it there first. Yes. Ayan. So guys, we just mounted our roof rack and we just need to tighten all the bolts and make sure that all snug and fit. So ito, using the ratchet, so Newty's ratchet. This is not mine, but it's very easy to use, man. So just tighten it, everything, and yeah, voila, finish. So this is the new star nut. Hindi, this is star nut, hex nuts siya. So mas mahaba to dahil kailangan ng kailangan ng mas mahabang tornilyo para maswak siya. Tighten pa rin tayo. So guys, ayan, tapos na po natin. Mahulog pa ako dito. So guys, ayan, tapos na natin install ang ating roof rack. Yan o. So ayan, ganyan siya. Ganda. Alright, panalo. So bumili ako ng second hand na roof rack dahil so hindi naman masyadong naaarawan lang naman yan, and then yun lang naman ang niyan, pero the rest okay naman yan kahit second hand yung bilhin nyo, basta syempre maganda pa rin yung paint, wala siyang kalawang. So yan na guys, so tignan natin. So mas nagmukha na siya ng off-road car, no? Ayan. All good. So ayun yung kay Newty, ayun yung bago niyang roof rack. So pasulyap lang. Ayan medyo maganda to sa itong roof rack na to sa wind noise. Ayan. Kasi may siya may parang aerodynamics. So ito, pwede natin to palagyan ng pang deflector ng wind para ma-less yung wind noise natin. So soon sa video na yon, so upgrade natin sa roof rack natin yon. So later on we will be reviewing the car of Newty. He spent a lot of money on this, but wife doesn't know it.
Please, I hope she doesn't watch this video.
How much you pay for it? How much?
I don't want to think about it. I don't know where to start.
Just a sneak peek. He has a King's suspension, so lots more to cover, and yeah, thanks Newts for the roof rack.
You're welcome, bro.
I hope you will gonna sell this one
Yes,
soon.
when I upgrade that, this one will come to
This
you.
one will come to you, then this
So
one
we
will come
will
to the other group.
We will put it double on.
Double roof rack. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Tell it in Tagalog.
Mag-subscribe kayo.
Yo! Ano sinasabi ko? So thank you guys sa inyong panonood.
Denied.
Then see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye. I'm eating Indian food.
Indian donut.
Indian donut. So you're gonna dip this one here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not used to it. Too much pepper.